Hi, welcome again. I'm Tabran Gajendran. This is the third and the final video of the learning environment, which focuses on assessment and feedback. The first video looked at getting you started with a course, and the second video looked at getting you involved in learning and getting the most out of a course.
As I said before, now we will look into the assessment activities and how the feedback is provided. There are three sections to this video. The first one looks at the different types of assessment that you may have to complete during your studies. And also, just briefly to let you know, the assessment could be individual submissions or group submissions. Therefore, it's quite important for you to understand how to engage with assessment activities. Okay. The second one is about submitting your assignment, the recommended formats, and a software called Turnitin that we provide you to assist with plagiarism detection and prevention. I'll talk about it a bit later, and there is quite a lot of resources on our university website with regard to the software and the academic integrity associated to assessment submission. Okay. The third one is about feedback. How do we provide you feedback, and where do you access it, and how do you respond to your feedback? Okay. So let's go into the first one. And if you look at the assessment activities, you click into assignments, and you can see the type of assignments that you need to submit for this course. However, you get a better idea about all the assignments that you need to do for a course through the course outline. So this is the course outline for the estimating and tendering course. And if you go to the contents page, they clearly tell you the number of assignments that are related to this course. And if you look at here, it has a quiz, and it has a pre-tendering contract strategy, and it has a third assignment which looks at tender pricing. Okay. So course outline, as it was discussed in the first video, is the primary place where you get all the information about your assignments. Now, we broadly classify the assignments in our program under quizzes, industry-based reports, essays, academic papers, calculation reports, drawing, or plans. There could be other activities as well, but these are the broad assessment items that you may have to engage during your studies here. And each assignment comes with a clear brief, and the brief gives you a scenario, because most of the assignments are problem-based learning assignments, and you read the assignments and go to the assessment activities to look at what is expected in the assignment. So you get all the information that you require to do an assignment in your course outline. However, some lecturers may also provide additional information assisting the assignment. For example, to do a estimate, you may require the architectural drawings, the structural drawings, and a BOQ, which may be provided in addition to the course outline. So you need to make sure that you have got all the supplementary items before you start your assignment. And if you are not sure where these documents are, then you can email the course coordinator or put a query on the discussion board so that the course coordinator will be able to respond to your query. Now, in this case, in this course, you have got 3 assignments. So by clicking at assignments button, you can see the assignments. And first one is an online quiz. You have to be a bit cautious about online quiz, because they only appear during the duration the quiz is going to be open, and you find that information in the course outline. So if it's open for a week, you can only see the quiz here for a week if you either come in before the quiz open date, or after the quiz completion date, you wouldn't see that. You had to be clearly you had to clearly read the instructions of the quiz before you start. Now let's go into this quiz and start doing this quiz. And you start to respond to your questions by reading the question and putting an answer, and you'll go on like this to complete the quiz. Okay. Now if you take more than the time that is being recommended or allowed, you will be penalized for the every minute that you take more than the allowed time. Okay. And now let's move into a different type of submission, a Turnitin submission. And if you look at here, the pre-contract service provider selection strategy is a Turnitin submission. So you first look at your assignment requirements, produce an assignment through learning facilitation, and you come here to submit your assignment. So when you click here, it gives you a screen where it allows you to upload the assignment. Now I have already uploaded it to explain it to you, the Turnitin percentages, but when you come first time you won't see this section. You click here and then you select a single file upload, and then the name automatically appears. You give the assignment name and you browse the file from your hard disk and then upload the file. Okay, so once you have done it, it'll automatically be uploaded and it'll give you a percentage, a Turnitin percentage. Now I'll go into the Turnitin before I start to interpret the percentages here. Once you submit your assignment in Turnitin, it allows you to review your work in terms of your originality index. Okay, there are a couple of things you need to be very mindful when you submit your work. First, you can go and do your submission, but whether it has been uploaded properly or not, it needs to be checked. We recommend you to download your submission and check whether the file is uploaded correctly. If it is corrupt, then you need to quickly re-upload your file. Don't leave it to the later to lecturer to call you and tell that your file is corrupt, because if you haven't really uploaded it properly, you might run into a risk of failing the course.